When the word artificial intelligence or AI is mentioned, you probably think of Tesla autopilot or sci fi concepts from movies. You may not realize it, but AI is also being used to help you relax during your downtime. If you enjoy watching movies and TV shows to decompress, you have definitely had a moment when it took you 30 minutes to decide what to watch while your food got cold, or worse, you finished your food before you decided on what to watch. In the streaming industry, engines powered by machine learning and AI are used to provide recommendations to viewers. These recommendations can help reduce decision making while also tailoring a unique streaming experience for each viewer. So, what exactly is a recommendation engine and how does it work in streaming? A recommendation engine uses machine learning algorithms to collect and analyze user activities such as their preferences, search history, and others. The most important role that AI plays in media streaming is the ability to make appropriate audio and video recommendations. A company like Netflix has AI that considers your viewing habits and hobbies to provide Netflix recommendations. Recommendation engine works in the following ways. There is a content-based algorithm which uses the attributes of an item such as the metadata, texts, or tags to make recommendations that are similar to items the user has previously interacted with. Then there's the collaborative filtering method, which uses the interests and behaviors of other users with similar tastes to make recommendations. It's like the engine is asking other people what they like, and then using that answer to recommend something to you based on something similar that you like. And then there's the knowledge-based method, which is used mostly for discovering new content. It is not based on past behaviors. Rather, it uses the attributes of an item and correlates with the preference of a user to make recommendations based on similarities. Now, most recommendation engines, they rarely use just one or the other. It is usually a hybrid system that combines many of these algorithm models together in order to be more effective and provide the best experience. Netflix has been leveraging machine learning and AI since it launched its streaming system in 2007. They were ahead of the competition and used it to gain a significant segment of the streaming market before major companies like Disney and HBO joined the over-the-top industry. Your homepage is filled with shows you watched and shows you'd like to watch because of algorithms like the personalized video ranker, the top picks row, the trending now, the continue watching, and the because you watched. Finally, the page generation algorithm uses all of these algorithms above to personalize which roles show up in what order. Now, Netflix also uses machine learning to determine which thumbnails you have the highest chance to click on. They have different thumbnails for every show and movie, and the machine learning algorithms constantly test them with the users. But Netflix is not the only organization to do this, as you can imagine. HBO Max is pushing its own human curation. Hulu is a hybrid. Disney Plus algorithm focuses on understanding the contents and its emotions. Amazon Prime mainly uses a collaborative filtering method that looks at what other users are doing. So, as you can see, recommendation systems are ingrained in almost every aspect of our modern day entertainment options in our society. Even YouTube and TikTok use some of these models, but are they all that good? There is a concern with algorithms called inherent bias. In streaming, we return to the idea that no human's preference is linear. For example, if I have only watched investigative thriller shows in 2022, and then one day I decide to spice things up and watch 27 Dresses, have I fed the algorithm faulty data? Recommendation system algorithms can help us come to a decision, but they do not make the decision themselves because they are made by humans. However, we need to be aware that in order to allow a user to be creative in their decisions, we can't allow the algorithms to spiral into feedback loop, perpetuating AI's lack of creativity.